Hi dear student, I'm professional chemistry tutor Professor Muhammad Samad Shahzad with years of teaching experience at well-reputed institutes and online as well. Uh, I have done Master of Science in Chemistry from University of Agriculture, Faisalabad, Punjab, Pakistan, and certified the Foundation of Online Teaching from Macquarie University, Australia. This has given advanced skills to make online learning highly effective, interactive, and enjoyable for my students. My teaching style is very simple, student centered, and concept focused. I use daily life activities and examples, problem solving activities, and step by step explanation to ensure that you are not only succeed your exam but also develop an understanding in this very beautiful concept subject chemistry. Under my supervision, many of my students achieve an excellent grades and develop strong foundation in this subject. If you are looking for a dedicated tutor who can guide you throughout your curriculum regarding your subject, I will be glad to help you. Feel free to book a free trial lesson today and let's start mastering your subject in this.